Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic kimchi. First, choose a crisp napa cabbage, ideally weighing around 2 to 3 pounds. Next, you'll need to brine the cabbage thoroughly. This process involves soaking it in a 2% salt solution for several hours, which helps to soften the leaves and remove excess water, preparing it perfectly for fermentation. Finally, create your signature kimchi paste, blending gochugaru, fresh garlic, ginger, and other vibrant ingredients for a truly authentic flavor. Now let's focus on the heart of your kimchi, the paste. Begin by whisking 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour with 1 cup of water, cooking it into a smooth porridge, then let it cool completely. Once cooled, combine this with 1/2 cup of vibrant gochugaru, 6 cloves of finely minced garlic, and about 1 inch of freshly grated ginger. To complete the paste, stir in 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of shredded Dakin radish for a delightful crunch. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully coat each piece of brined cabbage with the flavorful kimchi paste, ensuring every leaf is well covered. Once coated, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, making sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired tanginess, then transfer it to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process and enjoy. Your homemade probiotic kimchi is now ready to be enjoyed. You can savor it immediately for a fresher taste, or allow it to age in the refrigerator for several weeks to develop even deeper, more complex flavors. Kimchi is incredibly versatile, pairing perfectly with steamed rice, noodles, hearty stews, or simply as a vibrant side dish to any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.